Ever dreamt of earning while you sleep? Imagine waking up to notifications, not of alarms, but of money rolling into your account. All from the digital wonders you've created. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today, we're diving deep into the universe of passive income. We're going to unveil 9 digital product ideas that can transform your financial life. Stick around, and you might just discover that secret sauce to financial freedom and possibly an early retirement. Ready to change your life? Let's embark on this money-making journey together. Number 1. Ebooks. Ebooks are one of the most accessible forms of passive income. Anyone with a flair for writing and an area of expertise can create one. With the explosion of digital platforms such as Amazon Kindle, Apple Books, and Google Play Books, distribution has never been easier. Many indie authors are making a significant income by publishing and selling their ebooks. Whether it's fiction, nonfiction, or instructional guides, the market is vast and varied. The beauty of an ebook is in its scalability. Once written, it can be sold an infinite number of times with virtually no additional costs. Additionally, with platforms like Amazon's KDP or Kindle Direct Publishing, you can even self-publish with ease, retaining more control over your work. Furthermore, branching out to audiobooks using platforms like Audible can diversify your product offering. Keep in mind, however, that the key to success with ebooks lies not just in the content, but also in the marketing. Building a personal brand, garnering reviews, and promoting your book are essential steps to ensure sales. To ensure your ebook stands out, focus on niche subjects or target areas with less competition but consistent demand. Research trending topics, use engaging visuals, and consider collaborations with experts or influencers in your chosen niche. Proofreading, professional cover design, and customer reviews are crucial to ensuring your ebook's success. Number 2. Online courses. As the digital age propels forward, there's a growing demand for online education. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable have enabled experts from various fields to share their knowledge and monetize it. From programming and digital marketing to cooking and art, the spectrum of subjects one can teach is nearly limitless. The initial time investment in creating a course can be significant. Crafting a comprehensive, valuable, and engaging curriculum requires research, planning, filming, and editing. Yet, once uploaded, an online course can generate income every time someone enrolls. The best part is, with evergreen content, your course can remain relevant for years, requiring only periodic updates. To maximize the potential of your course, ensure it's interactive and engaging. This can be achieved through quizzes, assignments, and discussion forums. Gather feedback from initial students to refine and improve the content. Also, remember, pricing plays a crucial role. While a higher price can position your course as premium, it's vital to ensure the content matches the price tag. Bundling courses or offering discounts during promotional periods can also boost enrollments. Number 3. Stock photography and videography. Visual content is the cornerstone of digital media. With an increasing number of businesses and individuals looking for high-quality images and videos for their projects, there's a booming market for stock photos and footage. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images allow photographers and videographers to upload their work and earn royalties whenever their content is purchased. If you're a photographer or videographer, this is an excellent way to monetize your unused shots or create specific content tailored to current market demands. It's essential to keep up with trends and see what types of images or videos are in demand. For instance, during the COVID-19 pandemic, there was a surge in demand for images related to remote work, healthcare, and hygiene. To succeed in this realm, ensure that your content is of high quality, clear, and free from any trademarks or copyrighted material. Additionally, diversifying your portfolio with various subjects can increase your chances of sales. It's also a good practice to keep updating your portfolio. As with any passive income stream, consistency and staying updated with market demands are vital. Number 4. Digital templates and tools. Design templates, website themes, and even specialized tools like budget trackers or meal planners are all in high demand. People are constantly seeking tools to make their tasks easier, more efficient, or more aesthetically appealing. Platforms such as Etsy, ThemeForest, or Creative Market are go-to places for these digital products. The key to a successful digital template or tool is its ease of use and customization. Whether it's a PowerPoint presentation template or a wedding invitation design, users prefer templates they can tailor to their specific needs without much hassle. Offering video tutorials or instructional guides can also add value to your product. Staying updated with design trends is crucial. Vintage might be in trend one year, but minimalistic designs might be the rage next year. Similarly, tools should be regularly updated to iron out bugs or to include additional features based on user feedback. Number 5. Software and apps. With the world becoming more interconnected and reliant on technology, there's always room for a new piece of software or a mobile app that can make life easier. Whether it's a productivity tool, a game, or a niche-specific solution like a plant identification app, the possibilities are endless. Developing software or an app does require a significant investment, both in terms of time and resources. But with the right product-market fit, the ROI can be substantial. Subscription models, in-app purchases, or ad revenues are various ways these tools can generate income. User experience is paramount. Even a great idea can fail if the software or app is clunky or not user-friendly. Regular updates, addressing user feedback, and ensuring compatibility across devices are all crucial for the software's or app's success. Number 6. Podcasts. The podcasting world has seen exponential growth in the past few years. People are increasingly looking for quality content they can consume on the go, whether it's about true crime, entrepreneurship, history, or any other topic under the sun. Starting a podcast requires an initial investment in good quality recording equipment and editing software. However, once you have a decent listener base, monetization can come from sponsorships, ads, or even premium content. Consistency and quality are paramount. Engaging content, good sound quality, and regular uploads can help in building and retaining a listener base. Collaborating with guest speakers or influencers in your domain can also boost listenership. Number 7. Digital art and printables. Art has found a new home in the digital realm. Digital prints, illustrations, clip arts, or even printables like planners and journals are immensely popular. Websites like Etsy or Gumroad are platforms where artists can sell their creations. Creating digital art and printables requires an understanding of the target audience's preferences and needs. What might appeal to one demographic might not resonate with another. However, the beauty of digital art is that it can be sold repeatedly with no inventory or shipping hassles. Keeping abreast of trends and seasonal demands can also boost sales. For instance, Christmas-themed artworks or planners tailored for the new year can be best sellers during specific times. Number 8. Membership sites. If you have expertise in a specific domain or a knack for community building, a membership site can be a goldmine. Platforms like Patreon or MemberPress allows creators to provide exclusive content or benefits to members who pay a monthly fee. The challenge lies in continuously providing value. Whether it's exclusive video content, articles, webinars, or discounts, ensuring that members find value in their subscription is essential. Engaging with the community, taking feedback, and evolving based on the community's needs can ensure long-term success. One of the advantages of membership sites is the predictable recurring revenue. However, this also means that there's a continuous demand for fresh, high-quality content. Collaborating with other experts or creators in your domain can provide diversity and additional value to your members. Number 9. Affiliate marketing ebooks or courses. If you've mastered the art of affiliate marketing, why not teach others? Ebooks or courses tailored to affiliate marketing can guide budding marketers on the best practices, tools, and strategies. What sets successful affiliate marketing content apart is real-life examples, case studies, and actionable strategies. Avoid generic advice and focus on in-depth insights that can provide tangible value. Regularly updating your content to keep up with the ever-evolving digital marketing landscape is also crucial. Affiliate marketing strategies that worked 5 years ago might not be as effective today. Providing current and relevant advice can set you apart from competitors. Well, there you have it, the secrets to digital gold. Remember, the digital realm is vast and always evolving, so keep your creativity hat on, and who knows, the next big digital sensation might just be your creation. Until next time, dream big and digitize those dreams.